On an iPhone, you have to open Safari as there is no dedicated Google app. Let's search for senior social groups in Calgary. Place the cursor in the box and begin typing what you want to search for. As usual, I've removed the keyboard clicks and sped up typing. I can't actually type that fast. Here's a listing of different senior social groups in Calgary. I'll just choose one at random and tap on it. You can see that you have the ability to call the group, get directions, save this, and visit their website. If I tap on Get Directions and allow google.com to access my location, this is necessary for this feature. You can see that the address has been placed in the second box. Now, I just have to type in the address where I am, and then if I scroll down, I can get directions step by step on how to get there from here. Along the top, you can see that we've got the different modes of transportation: driving, transit, walking, and biking. Each will give you a different set of instructions based on that mode of transportation. If we go back to the main page and tap on website, you can see that I can visit the website for this seniors group. This is an Android phone. Searching Google, but a little bit different. Tap the Google icon to access the Google apps and then tap on Google. Place the cursor in the box and begin typing what you're looking for. We're going to search for senior social groups in Calgary. Because my Google accounts are connected, it was already on my list. I'll use the same group as before, Parkdale Nifty 50s. There it is. When I tap on it, I have the ability to call the group, get directions, save the information, and visit the website. Let's get directions. Tap on directions. The Google Maps application will automatically open. It may take a few moments to load. Unlike on the iPhone, you do not need to give permission for google.com to use your location, because the Google Maps app is launched automatically when you tap on Get Directions. The address of the Seniors Club is in the bottom box. I'll enter my address. When you're doing this, make sure that it says Calgary, Alberta. There's the directions. Again, across the top, you've got driving, transit, walking, cycling, and there's also a rideshare option inside the Google app. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll get your step-by-step instructions on how to get there based on the mode of transportation you choose. And if you tap on Visit Website, you'll be taken to the website for the seniors group.